Welcome! Today we will learn how to do the Picot Stitch. It's simple as appears on the screen now. Picot Stitch is usually used to decorate our crochet work. As we can see here, we used it to decorate the last row of our work. Basically, Picot Stitch is a chain. We can choose to join it with a slip stitch or a single crochet stitch. So let's see how it's done, and the difference between both ways. This time I'll be doing something new. I'll connect the yarn with another piece of work. We're going to do it this way. Insert the hook here. Into the first loop. Get the strand, yarn over and pull through. Then we'll do a chain. I'll work a single crochet, so I'll chain only one. And now I've connected the new yarn with my work. Now one single crochet. We'll start the Picot Stitch by a chain. 1, 2, 3. This is the single crochet stitch where we started the chain, and it is where we will finish the Picot Stitch. Now we'll join it with a slip stitch. So insert the hook. Yarn over and pull through. Then pull through this loop as well. And this is my first Picot Stitch. Again, it's preferred to have a distance between each two Picot stitches, so that their shape is more obvious. So here I did 3 single crochet stitches between the Picot Stitch we did and the next one. Now here is the single crochet where we'll start the Picot Stitch. So chain up 3. The single crochet where we started the Picot Stitch is where we will join it at the end with a slip stitch. So we yarn over and pull through all loops. We'll do another single crochet to give a distance between each two Picot stitches. This is the single crochet where we'll start the next Picot Stitch. And we chain up 3. And join it in the same single crochet. Insert the hook and yarn over. Then pull through this loop. One more time. A single crochet. Just to separate them. And we chain 3 at the single crochet where we'll start the Picot Stitch. Then insert the hook into the same single crochet stitch, yarn over and pull through this loop. Now we've completed the Picot Stitch using the slip stitch method. And now we'll do the Picot Stitch using the single crochet method. We'll start by connecting the new yarn with our work. Insert the hook into the first stitch of our work. Then yarn over. And we chain up 1 for the new single crochet row we'll do now. This is the first stitch, and the second. This is where we'll start the picot stitch. And we chain up 3. Get back to the same stitch. This time we'll single crochet. Now we have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops and do 1 single crochet. Then make a distance between each 2 picot stitches. Chain 3 at the stitch where we'll start the picot. Then get back to the same stitch and insert the hook to get 2 loops. Then finish the picot stitch with a single crochet. Give some distance with 2 single crochets. And chain up 3. Sorry, the distance is 1 stitch not 2, because the second is where we make the picot. Then join the picot chain with a single crochet. Then 1 single crochet. And start the picot at the second single crochet. Chain up 3. And go into the same stitch to finish with a single crochet. This way we've completed the picot stitch done with single crochet. This was done with slip stitch and this with single crochet. Thank you.